This video is the property of MBKP International LLC. In this video we're going to talk to you about a problem that can possibly happening with your blade. Sometimes your blade might go down during operation and come halfway back up, or it just doesn't want to come all the way up. It kind of seems to be binding. In that case, we have different adjustments. Because you got one here, one here, one here, and then you got some over here. You got 4 over here. The middle screw needs to come out a little bit. Here, I'm going to loosen it just ever so slightly. And what you do with this nut type looking screw, this is actually a spacer, it goes all the way through. You can't really see in the video, but it does go all the way through. As I turn it clockwise, it actually pulls this bracket away just enough to give your blade some freedom to move. And you kind of need to it's a slight adjustment. It's like maybe a 1/16 of an inch at the most, maybe a 32nd of an inch at the most. And you want to do it for all these screws to pull them out ever so slightly. After you got this in the position where you want it, you see how I got just a little bit of play over here where I've actually adjusted it ever so slightly. Then you got to tighten down the middle screw all the way and make sure that's good and tight. And then once it's good and tight in all your screws, that'll give your blade enough room to go down and back up without any problems. The way you get to this part is you got to take off the top cover, obviously. You have to take off this back part, which means you have to take off these parts right here. Just move them and you can slide this back, and then you can pull the top cover off and you'll be able to get to these screws. Again, this video is the property of MBKP International LLC.